Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
GNRH analogs are useful in all except they are useful in endometriosis. They are useful in precocious puberty and menstrual irregularities. They are not useful in hyperprolactinemia. GNRH analogs are not useful in hyperprolactinemia. Danazol is used in the treatment of cyclical mastalgia. Danazol is used in all except danazol is used in endometriosis. It is used in dysfunctional uterine bleeding and fibroids also. But danazol is not used in hirsutism.
thank you and thank you for watching.